yesterday we completed the question number up to question number 14. Now I am doing question number 15. Just see here, question number 15. It is cos 4x, cot 4x, sorry, cot 4x sin 5x plus sin 3x we have to prove this is should be equal to cot x sin 5x and 3x. Plus, no? So first of all, we are trying to solve the left hand side. Generally, we solve where we can apply the formulas. Okay, in both sides, we can use the formula, so it will be better. Divided by cos 4x now where we can apply the formula of sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d, यानी कि 5x plus 3x, यानी कि 8x. If we divide by 8x by 2, you will get 4x. And cos c minus d. Cos c minus d यानी कि sin 5x, यानी कि 5x minus 3x, it will be equal to 2x. If we divide it by 2, we will get x. ठीक है, so we get this one, sin 5x plus sin 3x equal to 4x in place of cos 4x divided by sin 4x. ठीक है, it is cos theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Here we are applying the formula of 3D formula sin c plus sin d, which will be equal to 2 sin c plus d, यानी कि 5x plus 3x, ठीक है, which will be equal to 8x divided by 2, we will get sin 4x. If we subtract, we will get cos x, है ना. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d upon 2 cos c minus d upon 2. Now you can cancel this one. We get 2 cos x and cos 4x. Now we are taking, because directly we are not getting the right hand side. Both the sides are similar, है ना. So we will try to convert in this term also into the product. If we take the right hand side, will be equal to cot x means cos x upon sin x. Sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d, यानी कि 8x divided by 2 4x और c minus d sin c minus d upon 2. So you can cancel this one sin x. So 2 cos x, it is also same to the left hand side. So we get the same answer from left hand side and right hand side. That's why it is 2. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Generally, we get the directly from left hand side to direct right hand side, but here we have told both the sides, then we get the answer, what we want to prove. Now, you are seeing here, we have used the formula CD formula so many times. The CD formula is more important, which we have proved at the last of the formulas. So you have to remember, by the name of CD formula. The question number 16. Okay, 16 to 21. So all questions are same. Okay. Just try to understand this one. If you understand this one, the remaining question you can do yourself also. Cos 9x minus cos 5x sin 17x minus sin 3x equal to sin 2x upon cos 10x with minus sign. This we have to prove. So you are seeing here in numerator as well as denominator, we can use the formula CD, cos C minus cos D, and denominator sin C minus sin D. If we use the formula cos C minus cos D, we will get minus 2 sin. Okay, we are using these formulas in left hand side. So cos C minus cos D, minus 2 sin C plus D, 9 plus 5, 14, divided by 2, you will get 7x. Okay. Again, sin C minus D, 9x minus 5x will be equal to 4x, divided by 2, you will get 2x. Sin C minus sin D. The same way we have to use the CD formula here also. So 2 cos 17 plus 3, which will be equal to 20, divided by 2, we get 10x. Okay. 17 minus 3, it means 14 divided by 2, we get 7. Okay. Wherever we use the CD formula in terms of sign, we get the both term in cos also and sin also. But in terms of cos, you get the either in cos or in sin. So we can cancel 2 to 2. We have cancelled sin 7x to sin 7x. So we get minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. It is very simple, but you have to use the formula with CD formula only. Okay, wherever you get the condition according to the formula, try to use that one. You will get the directly answer. So you are observing that question number 16 and 17 is also similar. You can do yourself. Okay. 18 is also same. 19, 20. So 20 just I am telling you. 20 is also same. But the denominator is written in the different form. Okay. That's why I am telling you question number 20. Sin x minus sin 3x divided by cosine square x minus cos square x. This is a question. Okay. In numerator, you can use the formula of sin C minus sin D. If you use this formula, sin C minus sin D, which will to 2 cos C plus D. C plus D means 3x plus x, 4x divided by 2, you will get 2x. और फिर साइन सी माइनस डी यानी कि एक्स माइनस थ्री एक्स डिवाइडेड बाई टू यू विल गेट माइनस। ठीक है, in sin c minus sin d we get the both the terms in cos and sin also. This is sin square x minus sin cos square x. So you just see here, if you minus common, so you will get cos square x minus sin square x. ठीक है, cos square x minus sin square x. ठीक है, which will be equal to, just I am writing here, 2 cos 2x minus, we can sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta, so which will be equal to minus 2 cos 2x sin x divided by, so it is not coming here. ठीक है, I am writing here, after that we have a space here, I am just writing here. ठीक है, 2 cos 2x, ठीक है, sin minus theta, it is equal to minus sin theta. The minus we have put here, it is will be equal to sin x. In denominator we have minus, और cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू cos 2 थीटा, यानी कि cos 2x. So we can cancel minus to minus, cos 2x to 2x. So we get the answer 2 sin x. 2 sin x. ठीक है, so what we have to prove? We have to prove 2 sin x. ठीक है, so that in this way, this only the difference that we have used, not in denominator we have not used the formula of CD, but we have used the cos square x minus sin square x. There were three formulas of cos 2x. ठीक है, one was cos square x minus sin square x. ठीक है, one was cos 1 minus 2 sin square x and 2 cos square x minus 1. So we have used the formula cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x. So cos 2x and cos 2x, this we have cancelled. ठीक है, then we get the answer 2 sin x. ठीक है, now we have completed up to question number 20. So remaining 4 questions are left. We will solve now. Question number 21. Cos 4x, cos 3x, oh sorry, cos. Because they are giving you cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x. Similarly, they giving you in denominator also sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. Okay, this is question number 20. ठीक है, all terms they have written, but up to now we were getting only 2 terms in numerator and 3 denominator, but here we got 3 terms. So just see that we have to prove that cos 3x. So it means the cos at 3x upon sin 3x is equal to cos 3x. ठीक है, so just we are leaving this term as it is. First of all, we are applying the formula. ठीक है, in first term and last term, cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x. ठीक है, we have taken the left hand side. After taking the left hand side, we have taken the first and last term. Sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. Now we are using the CD formula here, numerator and denominator. ठीक है, so it will be equal to 2 cos 4x plus 2x, which is equal to 6x divided by 2, we will get 3x. and cos 4x minus 2x, ठीक है, 2x divided by 2 will get x cos 3x. In denominator we get 2 sin 3x and cos x
Take common.
So what we will get cos 3x we are taking common, which is equal to 2 cos x plus 1. 2 sin 3x we are taking common here, which is equal to 2 cos x plus. Now these two terms are in multiplication. The terms are written in product, so we can cancel, but if the terms are in plus minus, so we cannot cancel. Okay, we cannot cancel here cos x to cos x. Okay, cos, okay, we here we can cancel. So cos 3x divided by sin 3x, we get cot 3x, which is equal to right hand side. It was not looking that it was looking for different because we have to prove the cot 3x. A cot 3x at the division of these two terms cos 3x plus or divided by sin 3x. We get 2 cos x plus 1 in numerator and denominator also. Then we have cancelled it. Okay. Then we got the right hand side. Okay. This was the some lengthy, but it was not difficult. You have to use those formulas only which you have used earlier. That is the CD formula. Now I am taking the next question. That is question number 21, 22, and 23, 24, 25. There are some more questions also there. Okay. Question number 22. Cot x, cot 2x, cot x, cot 2x minus cot 2x, cot 3x equal to 1. This we have to prove. All terms are in cot form. So you can do, we know the formula of cot x plus y. You can write x plus 2x. Okay. Cot x plus y. So what is the formula of cot x plus y? Equal to cot x cot y. यानी कि y in place of y we have 2x. माइनस वन अपॉन cot x प्लस cot y, यानी कि cot x प्लस cot y. Now you can multiply, it is equal to cot 3x cot x cot y 2x minus 1. So we can multiply denominator to this term also, which is equal to cot 3x. If we multiply, what we will get? We will get cot x cot 3x plus it is equal to, in place of y, we have 2x. Okay, just see the formula, wherever you have written the formula, either in your book, okay, you will get from there and you can memorize there from there. Cot x plus y is equal to cot x cot y minus 1 cot x plus cot y. Okay, it is equal to, we have taken the 3x. Okay, we have written the cot 3x equal to cot x plus 2x. Okay, but why we have written, we want to get the all terms in x and y terms. Okay, x and y term if we want to find out, so we have to take the angle x, 2x and 3x only. So first of all, we are using the formula of cot x plus 2x. We have converted cot 3x equal to cot x plus 2x. Then the formula, this one. Now we are multiplying cot x with cot 3x. So what we will get? The cot x cot 3x or cot 2x into cot 3x. This is less. Just I am moving this one. Cot 3x equal to cot x cot 2x 1. Okay. If it is not coming your board, just I can write in here also. Equal to cot x cot 2x minus 1. Okay, just see what we have to prove. We have to prove cot x we have to prove cot x cot 2x cot minus cot 2x. So there I think one term is less. I have written. There must be three terms. Cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot 3x cot x. Okay, this we have to prove. So minus in right hand side we have to prove. So all terms just take, we are shifting these two terms to right hand side and minus 1 to the left hand side. Then it will be equal to 1 equal to cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot x और cot 3x. ठीक है, तो हमने डायरेक्टली ना करके, है ना, because it was very difficult to think what we have, what we do, what we not to do. Directly we were not able to apply the formula. Okay, but we get the idea because there were the angle of x, 2x and 3x. What should we do? Okay, what we have done, we have converted cot 3x into cot x plus 2x. We know the formula of cot x plus y, then we have used here. Okay, so cot x cot y minus 1 cot x plus cot y. Okay, after cross multiplication we get the result what we want to prove. The 23rd is also a lengthy question. So first of all, I am just removing this one. Start from here. 23rd tan 4x equal to 4 tan x. 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x minus 6 tan square x plus tan 4x. Okay, this is a little difficult. So you have to use the formula of tan 4x. Okay, till now. Let me connect it to the formula. So we have learned the formula of tan x and tan 2x, but it is tan 3x. So in last question also, there was the cot 3x. So with cot 3x we have converted into cot x plus 2x. So same way we can convert it. We can convert tan 4x इस तरीके से tan 2 and 2x. We know the formula of tan 2x. That was the formula, if you have remembered, 2 tan x 1 minus tan square. ठीक है? If you remember, then it's okay. Just check on your notebook or wherever you have written. ठीक है? This is the formula of tan 2 theta या tan 2x. So in place of x, we have taken 2x. So we have written here also in place of x 2x. Here we can also apply the formula, this formula again. 2 tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. In denominator also 1 minus 2 tan x we are using tan 2x formula again. So you can apply 2 into 2, which will be equal to 4. 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. In denominator में this is the square of all term. The square of whole term, so you have to do the 1 minus 2 tan square whole square. You have to take the LCM also. If we take the LCM, so 1 minus, I'm just writing again because it is really too, space is much more. 1 minus tan square x whole square. No, we are taking the LCM also. 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 2 tan x whole square is equal to, it will be equal to 4 tan square x. ठीक है? You are observing that it is the form of A upon B and C upon D. So how, what we can do? We can multiply A into D and B into C. And this operation we can apply here. So this term can be cancelled. इसको हम cancel कर सकते हैं एक power से. This term will be multiplied here. So you will get the answer 4 tan x multiply by 1 minus tan square x. So we are seeing that we got the numerator, what we want to get. But here you have to apply the formula of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square, यानी कि tan 4x minus 2 tan square x, ठीक है भाई, a square plus b square minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x. So you are seeing that देखिए 4 tan x we got 1 minus tan square, we got 1 plus tan 4x, so 1 plus tan 4x is also there, minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x, which is equal to 6 tan x square x minus 6 tan x square x. So we got the right hand side now. Okay, how we have started? We have written tan 4x into tan 2 into 2x. Tan 4x equal to this one. And this manner. Lengthy question. Okay, it is important also. Just try to solve yourself. If you have any problem, you can raise your hand. You can ask me. Okay, we have 5 minutes are left. Otherwise, I will do the next question. Okay. If you have any problem, any doubt, you can ask. The next question is beta cos 4x. Cos 4x equal to, sorry, cos 4x. First of all, we prove this one. This is equal to cos 4x. So we are taking the left hand side. If we take the left hand side, cos 4x. So जैसे we have used just now tan 4x. Similarly, we can use the formula of cos 4x. So cos 4x, we can write cos 2 into 2x. ठीक है, cos 2 theta is equal to, we can use the formula of 1 minus 2 sin square x. Now, there are 3 formulas of cos 2x. So in place of x, we have 2x, so you have to write 2x here. ठीक है, but we have 8 cos square x extra. In place of sin square x, we have now just sin square 2x. So we can use the formula of sin 2x also. The formula of sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, the whole square. Okay. Now we are doing the squaring of this term. We will get 1 minus 2 4 sin square x cos square x. If you multiply, you will get 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. ठीक है, it is equal to right hand side. So how we have proved that here, cos 4x equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. So we have written cos 4x as it is cos 2 into 2x. We applied the formula of cos 2 theta. In place of theta, in place of x, we have 2x. We put the 2x here. 1 minus 2 sin square x. Again, we have applied the formula of sin 2x. So 2 sin x cos x. The squaring, after squaring, we get this one. After multiplying, we get 8 sin square x cos square x, which is equal to the right hand side. So I go up to question number 24. One question is only left. So tomorrow I will tell you question number 25 and the formulas of next exercise also.